Good day. My name is John Michael Punsalan, BEST IT, 2A BPO. Data communication. It is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium, which refers to the exchange of data between a source and a receiver. 5 characteristics of effective communication. Direct and indirect communication. Direct communication, when the speaker telling you directly her true intention, while the indirect communication, the speaker true intention are hidden. Mutual understanding. When both of you have the same knowledge about on your topic that you have been talking about. Continuous process means communication is continuously processed until you get the idea of the sender that sent to you. Use words as well as symbols. You need to use symbols to express your feelings. Data. Data refers to information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by parties creating and using. Means, data is information. It can be numeric or any kind of information. 3 fundamental characteristics of data communication. Delivery. The system must deliver the data to the correct destination. Means, the person that you're going to send the information will receive it correctly. Accuracy. The system must be deliver the data accurately. Means there's no error. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in timely manner. Means when you're sending the message, the receiver will receive it according to the time you send the message. Components of data communication. Message. It is the information, the data to be communicated. Means this is the information that you're going to send. Sender. It is device that sends to data message. Means you are the sender. Receiver. It is a device that receives the message. Receiver. It will receive the message that the sender sent. Medium. It is physical patch by which a message travels from sender to receiver. This is the item or medium that the sender used to send her message or the data. Protocol. It is a set of rules governs data communication. This is the protocol on using on medium like in Messenger. There's a protocol that you're not allowed to send a pornography. You are automatically be banned using the messenger. Data presentation. It can be text. Under the text, we have ASCII acronym or American Standard Code for Information Interchange. EASCII Unicode and ISO. And it can be numbers, image, audio, and video. Data flow. Simplex communication. Simplex communication is a communication channels that sends information in one direction only. The example of this is the radio station. Half duplex. Half duplex. The data can be transmitted on both directions on a signal carrier, except not at the same time. Example of this is walkie-talkie. When you're using walkie-talkie, you're going to press the button to start talking, but you can hear the what the receiver talking about. Full duplex. It's the same as the half duplex, but only the difference is that the full duplex can be transmitted to other at the same time. Network criteria. Performance. It can be measured in many ways. Transmit time is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one device to another. Response time. It is the elapsed times between an inquiry and a response. The performance of the network depends on many factors such as number of users. If there's many user, the performance will be slow. The type of transmission medium. It will depend on the medium that you're going to use, if it's fast or slow, capabilities of the hardware, and efficiency of the software. The capabilities of the hardware means that like like the phone, there's many types of phone. It will depends on the capabilities of your hardware. Efficiency of the software. Reliability. It is measured by the frequency of the failure, times to take the link to recover from failure, network robustness in a catastrophe. Security. How the network protect the data from unauthorized access. Categories. Local area network or LAN. Metropolitan area network or MAN. Wide area network or WAN. Categories. LAN. Size. Building or campus. Or company. Ownership. Privately owned. Distance a few kilometer. Agriculture. Bus, star or ring. Example. Laboratory. Categories. MAN. Size. City. Ownership. Public company. Distance extends over entire city. Agriculture. Land to land. Example. Cable network. Categories. 1. Size. Globe. Ownership. Private or public. Distance extends over entire globe. Agriculture. Man to man. Example. Internet. Network. It is a group of connected communication devices as computers or printer. Mid-1960s. Stand-alone devices. ARPA or Advanced Research Project Agency. DoD. Department of Defense. In 1967, ACM or Association for Computing Machinery Meeting. ARP. ARPANET. IMP Interface Message Process. 1969. ARPANET Reality for Nodes. University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. UCSB stands for University California, Santa Barbara. Stanford Research Institution, University of Utah. NCP Network Control Protocol, 1972. Vincent Cerf and Bob Kahn Interneting Project Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. Encapsulation, wrap then unwrap. Datagram, UDP. Prioritize time over reliability function of a gateway between two network. Shortly, therefore, TCP or high-level function segmentation, reassembly, error detection, IP handle the datagram, TCP, Internet Protocol today. Physical topology. It refers to the way in which a network is laid out physically. Categories. Mesh communication is a point-to-point. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. Bus. Signal are shared with the backbone cable, which a bus topology is a topology for a local area network or LAN in which are all the nodes connected to a single cable. Star. Signal are passing through the central devices. A star topology is a topology for a local area network in which all the nodes are individually connected to a central connection point like hub or switch. Ring signal or circulate Our signals are circulate with the network. A ring topology is a network configuration where the device connection create circular data patch. Each network device is connected to two others like point on a circle. Types of topology. Mesh. Advantage. Point-to-point link, robust, privacy or security. Disadvantage. Expensive in cable and connection. Share bulk or wiring. Features. N1 in connection. Topologies categories. Bus. Advantage. Less expensive than mesh. Ease of installation. Disadvantage. Difficulty in reconnection. Difficulty to add station. Limited numbers of station. Features. Backbone cable. Stars. Point-to-point link. Robust. Less expensive than mesh. Using central device. Hub. Ring. Advantage. Point-to-point to both sides only. Easy to install and config. Disadvantage. Undirectional traffic of signals. Features. Repeater. And that's all for my report. Thank you for watching.